family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video I have for you guys this glam festival look. It's like a different take on festivals, you know. It's like the colorful and out there but toned down a bit, maybe. I don't know, this might be extra for some people, but I think this is just fine. This is in the middle of extra and chill, I think. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, make sure you keep on watching. You guys, I apologize for looking really busted. I barely had any sleep last night. I'm hanging on by a thread. So I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, and I'm gonna use this pink shade called Bahamas, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid and as my transition shade as well. First, I'm just packing that on. No, I'm just blending it out. Now I'm going to go all over my lid with this shimmery pink shade called Palermo, and I'm going to use my finger to apply that. I'm not sure if you guys can see it well on the screen, but this is what Palermo should look like. Now I'm just going to line my lid with some black pencil. I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Perversion. So I'm just doing a straight line across. I applied my lashes off camera, and now for foundation I'm going to go into the Lancôme Teint Idole in the shade 420. I haven't used this in a minute, but this is a really nice foundation. It gives you like a demi matte finish. Honestly, for festival makeup, I would recommend not wearing foundation because you're going to be sweating a lot and it's going to be really hot and humid. There's going to be so much people around you. So if you want to, you can spot conceal. But personally, I can't do makeup and like not wear foundation. It's not me. Like, I don't want to see anything. I don't want to see any redness, any dark spots, any blemishes. I just can't. For concealer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 300. And I still have a love-hate relationship with this concealer, but whatever. Also, you guys, I want to apologize because I feel like I promised you guys that video talking about my experience becoming a certified makeup artist, and I still haven't filmed it. And I'm just really sorry, but I've had a lot on my plate, and I also haven't been able to focus lately. You know when there's like so many things you have to do, like you can't even focus on one of them. And I've also felt really uninspired, but I promise that I will be back. I will film that video and I will try my hardest. I'm sorry. Now going into the Midnight Cowboy Glitter Liner by Urban Decay, I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter under my brow bone, right on my brow bone. If you don't have glitter liner, I would recommend mixing in some loose glitter with some lash glue or glitter glue and just get you a like liner brush and line the underneath of your brow bone, of your light on your girl. I'm tired. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna line the very end of the brow. You can actually put some glitter on your brows if you want to too. Did y'all hear my stomach? I don't know if you guys can see it well on camera, but it should look something like this. While that dries, we're going to finish off our eyes, and I'm going to use the same black liner I used to line my lid to line my waterline. So now I'm going to go on my lower lash line with that same pink that we used all over the lid and as a transition shade. So now to highlight my inner corners and to highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna use Unicorn from the ABH Dream Glow Kit. Then I'm gonna bronze using the ABH Cappuccino bronzer. I'm gonna go into my Tarte Sprung Glow blush palette. And this is the bronzer. I know it's pretty light, but it is a little shimmery, and I do want a little bit of shimmer since this is a festival look. So I'm just gonna go lightly over the ABH bronzer with this Tarte shimmery Tarte one. Can't speak today. So now for blush, I'm using this coral pink shade, again from the same palette. So now going back into the ABH Dream Glow Kit, I'm gonna use Ethereal as my highlighter. Now over that highlighter, I'm gonna be adding some glitter, and the glitter that I'm gonna be using is White Rabbit Space Jam by Lemonhead LA. This glitter is so beautiful because it's like holographic, and I'm gonna be applying it with my finger. Tell me this isn't the coolest thing y'all ever seen. Alright, so you can put glitter wherever else you want to, on your neck, on your chest, on your forehead, on your hair, everywhere. I personally just don't want to add any more. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with the ABH Honey Lipstick. You can go in with a more dramatic lip if you'd like. This is just what I want for today. And then I'm gonna go over that with the Too Faced gloss in the shade All the Stars. I'm sorry y'all, but nothing beats a nude lip for me. Like, nothing does it like a nude lip. So that is it for this glam festival look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you live in the New Jersey area and you would like to book a makeup appointment with me, just email me in the email down below. I'll see you guys next time.